Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to enable or disable sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, the first way is open settings on your phone, and right here you'd be able to see this tab, modes and routines. Click on it and after on sleep. Here you'd be able to manage the sleep mode and also easily turn it on by clicking this button turn on. After you are done, to disable this mode, simply click turn off. But there is also easier way how to enable this mode. For that, swipe 2 times down to open the control panel and once left. Here you'd be able to see this button which is named modes, and if we will click on it we can see sleep mode right here. Click on it and after this little cute animation the sleep mode will be enabled. To disable this mode the same way, swipe 2 times down and once left and click on this button. And the sleep mode has been disabled. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.